Okay, YouTube fans, this is video 3. I just got through installing a 4-inch hood and some new wheels and tires, and I jacked up the rear about 2 inches or so, see what she looked like. Got some 5-star wheels, skinnies in the front and drag radials in the back. And there's my new 4-inch fiberglass hood. Still ain't got her adjusted right to sit down. I'm gonna probably end up having to install some hood pins to hold her down. I'm gonna have to fix the trunk too so it'll shut all the way. But this is the first alteration about a week after I've had her, and I think she looks better. It'll give me a kind of an idea of what I'm looking for. That probably ain't the hood or wheels and tires that'll be on it in the end, but you know, it's a close. It's gonna let me know what it's gonna look like. I'll probably end up going with a 3-inch hood and some Kragers, probably an 8-inch in the back. That's a 10. Give you a shot of the her cousin, the 67 Firebird. I finally got my first year Firebird, first year Camaro. Thought about painting them both the same so they'd be like brother and sister, but this one's going to be candy apple red with black racing stripes. That one's got a new paint job, so it'll probably stay tangerine orange.